Hi, I'm Tharindu from Melbourne, Australia. I'm an engineer who has over 8 years of industry experience in textiles, materials, and wearable electronics. I was heading an innovation team when I was in the industry. I was attached to a multinational based in Sri Lanka during that time. While I was in the industry, I used to work with consumer brands, actual consumers, as well as tech development partners. The main role that I used to do was to bring the proof of concept that was available in the research and bring that concept to the commercially viable state through the improvements. So during that time, what I understood was that it is easier to understand the consumers and consumer pain points and then develop the technology which can bridge it together. The one of the best example is that we develop a wearable lighting platform that can work as a visibility tool for the people who run and bike in the low light conditions, as well as with different configuration, the same setup can be used as a pain relief management system for the patient who needs that assistance. Because of this knowledge creation experience that I used to have, I'm lucky to have 4 patents under my name, which is purely on the flexible and printed electronics, putting into the apparel. On the other side, how you develop the interfaces between electronics and textiles. Based on my industry experience, 2 startups thought that I would be able to help to sort out their technological challenges. The one startup is trying to bring a solution in the heated wearable platform for the people who hike, people who go for the mountain in cold conditions. And the other startup that I work is to bring a RFID solution for the mainstream to make sure that the supply chain and logistics will be more efficient. Currently, I'm a second-year PhD student in Monash University, and my mission is to figure it out how you can bring low-cost RFID sensor technologies with IoT applications. Based on my experience from the research as well as from the industry, I think the consumer-driven approach for technology development works really well, and understanding the consumer pain points is always helping the technology to see that how the features of the technology can satisfy the unmet needs of the consumers. As an experienced professional in both research, academic, as well as in the industry, I believe that understanding the consumer pain point is always helpful to identify your research need or the industry need, then develop the technology with the right features to satisfy those needs. And I also believe on the collaboration is a key to a success. Having a right collaborator at the right time will help you to have the right input and also to have the technological success. Finally, I'm really keen to be part of this Xperience week, especially with the experience that I have from the industry as well as from the research. And I'm sure it's not only the technical expertise, the exposure I used to have with consumers and the consumer pain points will definitely help you to bring the additional input to this Xperience week as a young talent and a professional. I'm really excited and looking forward to be the part of Xperience week while thanking Brainport for giving us this opportunity. Thank you so much.